Hey, how's it, guys? It's Christian Moser from MyMediaHelper.com, and welcome to another analysis video. And in this particular video, what I want to focus on is the last 6 months. So as soon as I can find it here, where the hell did I put it? As always, I'm all over the place. So I'm pretty much calling when I started my YouTube channel October 1st, just to make it conformed and just make it easier to analyze. Yes, I posted some videos around that time. They weren't really anything I would say earth-shattering. I didn't really start my lesson 1 video until September 30th, and then it creeped into October. So I'm using my 6-month basis from October 1st to the end of March. And this is basically, although it is mid-April, I am making this video now just to do analysis of the first 6 months of the channel. And then so here we have the first 6 months. So you can see the gradual growth of the channel. This is October 1st over here. And this is when I had, there was a time in November where I just had a new job. I was working a lot of hours. I was doing other things. I wasn't focusing on the videos. So that's what this is right here. And then you can see there's a gradual progress, and not only gradual, but consistent. There was also a time frame, and I can't tell you around here, which I also took 2-3 weeks off from making videos, and you can't really tell. I couldn't tell you what it was. I think it was in February, maybe March, maybe early March. So as you can see, a lot more consistency as we move along. And hey, that's great. Even for subscribers, 35 subscribers in 6 months. Could probably did better. I don't exactly go out and advertise too much. I certainly tell people about it, and if they want to join, perfect. And but I haven't made a big push for the channel. My main focus is just to make videos and content, and organic traffic is going to be the best. Just if people discover it and find it, and I have enough videos, and they like one video that they're seeing, and they want to check out the rest, then perfecto. The channel is growing and being good and all that good stuff. So that's what I wanted to show you here. Let's see what the top videos were for 6 months. Jeez, I'm not sure why this stupid box is popping up. But anyways, just to annoy me, I'm sure. So these are the top videos. This unboxing video, who knew it was going to take off like that? I didn't realize. I'm aware of unboxing videos. I didn't know they were quite that popular. But plus, it's a Dell computer, so people are probably looking at to buy a Dell computer. Some other interesting random things at the top there. Lesson 14. I don't know how it's any better or different than any other lesson that I've taught. I guess just more people want. There's probably less videos about it and more demand for it. That's probably why these are at the top. All right, a couple pole dancing videos. There's no big surprise there, and I would gravitate to them too. So for lesson 16, so some lesson videos and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. So that's that. Let's go into let's see how many people we reached here. So the reason you're seeing this is YouTube is having an issue with their analytics. I guess around this time frame, March 8th, they lost data, so they're trying to get it back. Everyone's butthurt on YouTube, saying they're losing likes and stuff like that. Because the election and commentaries on Biden and Trump, I'm not 100% convinced that's the issue. I think YouTube is just, I don't know, having issues. I don't believe that's true. I just think they're butthurt. But that's neither here nor there. But that's what's going on with this this triangle here. So everything's up. I can tell you everything's up just by seeing before. Look at this. Again, you can see right here. That's when the channel started. My lag time when I wasn't doing anything, and then pretty consistent as we go. And I'm believing 6 months from this point, it's going to be even more, and it's just going to gradually grow. That's how you grow a channel. You don't do it overnight. Some people have, some people can. It's rare. You'll hear the successful stories. You won't hear the regular schmoes like me who took the time to build a channel. And this is no reflection on anyone building a channel or who has a channel. Each channel is going to grow differently. There's different content. There's a whole different variables to why a channel is successful or not successful. I just do things that I would be interested in watching, things that I know, obviously, that I can teach. And just commentary, a bunch of stuff as you see in there. I do travel videos because I like to edit essays. I'll be doing more of those actually. Just different things like that. And I'm totally I lost where I was going with that. But let's get back with that. Anyways, it's gonna. I guess what my point is, it's gonna be just keep going. It's a gradual growth, and not everyone's going to be. Everyone's going to be huge right out the gate, and if you're not consistent about it, then you might as well just. Well, I don't want to say give up, or don't expect a lot of returns or anything. It's just a gradual growth. And in 6 months from now, I'll be doing this video, and my anticipation is that it'll be, if not double what I'm seeing now, at least higher traffic and likes and everything by the time I get there. But that's that. Anyways, let's look at other stuff real quick if we can. Let me just grab this over here. And I just want to go to this, and we'll just go to this. I mean, Facebook, I don't have a lot of followers or likes for that particular channel. We can do a 28-day for this. And I just don't, I post my videos on here. I just don't actively go out and seek people to join my channel. That's not what I'm focusing on right now. And we can look at Twitter. I just posted a bunch of stuff like a week or so ago, and seems to be taking off a little bit. That's cool on the impressions. And I'll be doing some more today. Actually, I've got a crap load of videos I need to tweet out. And even this LinkedIn, which I just started. I mean, it's not that big a deal. I mean, I wasn't getting nothing before. I'm just going to keep growing, and as people get to know that I'm out there, then my anticipation or my guess is that will grow as well. And I'm just bumbling. I don't think I've had enough coffee yet. So this is from October 1st to March 31st. This is just my website traffic. And as you can see, this is around where it started, right? And then there's a few bumps along the road, bumps up, I should say. And it's pretty consistent. Again, I don't really go out and advertise the site and everything. I just post articles on there and let it all be organic. I really concentrate on the YouTube channel. I've got so many other gears going on right now that are all starting to come together. And that's pretty exciting. So I have a lot of work to do on that. But in 6 months, I mean, gals and guys, I look back, it doesn't seem like I'm doing a lot. It doesn't seem like I'm doing enough. But then I look back and I said, holy crap, 6 months. That's done a lot of stuff. So that's it. Sorry I babble a little bit through this. I really need to get some more coffee and wake up a little bit here. But I really wanted to show the 6 month progression of the YouTube channel. That's what this is actually. I mean, this is what some of it's about, right? Is just to show you from conception of the channel up to wherever we can get it. And I'm not sugarcoating anything. I'm not showing you I'm doing awesome and great and I'm spectacular or anything. I'm just showing you what's actually happening. So, all right, hopefully we can grow and eventually I can monetize my YouTube channel. That would be perfecto. And to help that, you can subscribe to the channel. You can like, please share, tell friends, tell enemies, go across the street, knock on your neighbor's door, give them the URL. That would be perfect. And hit the bell below if you want updates. And thanks for putting up with me for this video. And I'll do better next time. At least I always try. Okay, guys and gals and guys, I will talk to you later. I'm going to go get some coffee and wake up. So I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.